Hi there and welcome to ZDNet. Let's talk about how to use Apple Pay. To use Apple Pay, it's as simple as double-clicking the side button on your iPhone, then choosing the card you want to pay with, entering your passcode, and just holding it up near the payment terminal. And that's really it. Setting up Apple Pay may seem like a daunting task, but it's really simple. All you have to do is go to your settings on your iPhone and find Wallet and Apple Pay. Then we tap on Add Card and follow the prompts to add your new card. And the screen will come up saying Add to Wallet. You can choose to add your debit or credit card, a transit card, even your driver's license or state ID in some states. So we're gonna go with debit card or credit card. You can add cards to Apple Pay to use in stores that have NFC enabled terminals. So just press continue here and a screen comes up to add your card by scanning it. You can do that. It won't save a picture of your card, or you can just enter your card details manually and that's it. Once you add your card to your wallet, you can edit your settings to suit your needs, really. So you can choose to enable Apple Cash. You can enable the double-click side button to work as a shortcut for Apple Pay at checkout. You can add express transit cards to pay for transit automatically without passcode or Face ID, so you can do it quickly. You can also edit your transaction information like your default card, your shipping address, and your contact info, and you can also toggle payments on Mac off and on. Something worth keeping in mind is that you can also use Apple Pay to pay online. There's a lot of online merchants that accept Apple Pay just like they take PayPal or a credit card at checkout. Etsy, Starbucks, Uber Eats, just to name a few, all accept Apple Pay. I hope this was helpful and thanks for watching.